Good evening, everybody, and I hope everybody is fine and safe. And before getting getting into the success story, so I want to thank 360 for giving this opportunity, and I also congratulate 360 as well for associating with the State University of New York for offering the PG diploma course in data science and artificial intelligence. And yeah, so coming to me, I'll walk you through everything that how I got placed in the my current company and where I worked in previous company, and also my educational details and everything. So yeah, myself Sandeep Karini. I'm currently working as an software engineer, data leverage LOB. I can say LOB means what LOB means and what data leverage means. So it's nothing lesser than the data scientist. And so the main difference between the data scientist and data leverage LOB is, a data scientist uh, can perform data operations like, related to databases, related to data analyst or data analysis, we can say, and also, machine learning models and the deployment phase, right? So everybody knows this. But coming to the data leverage, LOB means a line of business, and there is a flexibility that we are not restricting ourselves as a data scientist. So we will perform operations on data, and we can act like a data engineer, data scientist, machine learning engineer, and also at the same time AI engineer and AI developer. So that's the reason we designated as data leverage LOB. That's the definition mean. And yeah, of course, if you perform any software applications, definitely you will call me as a software engineer. So that's why I'm the software engineer data leverage LOB. And coming to the present company, Value Momentum, it's a multinational company, and the headquarters was located in New Jersey. And the reason why I chose Value Momentum instead of other companies, the only reason is it was established in 2000, way back 2000. Nearly it's 22 years, and we have annual 45% growth annually, and also we have 5,000 plus associates and 100 plus clients as well. So that's the reason I have chosen this company particularly. And coming to my educational background, so I'm a CSC graduate, computer science graduate from KAET. It's a mid-level college from affiliated to JNT UK. And when I was in my final year, BTech final year, I went for the project purpose, and I joined, unaccidentally in 360, and later uh, I attended the program called a full course of data science along with Tableau. So later I also learned AI, artificial intelligence as well. So within 6 months, from I think it's way back 2018 to 19, within 6 months, I learned uh, the courses offered by the 360, and I also done some internship on InnoDataTix and also got placed as an associate data scientist within 6 months of period. That's very speed rapid growth for me, I can say. And later, now I'm having nearly 3 years of experience in data and analytics. That's very great for me. I'm feeling that. And um, coming to the preparation part and everything, that was you know uh, only because of 360, because they given me some hope, that I can, handle any type of data, because in the previous company also, there are, various projects. So that is not easy to handle for me, because I'm just a fresher that time, 2019, way back. But now I'm being very confident on it, and because I have done multiple projects with different industries in the under guidance of industrial experts. So that's very helpful for me. And coming to mm, yeah, I can say preservance. Preservance means, like, I have, I kept it tight, very hold, at difficult situations when I'm, giving interviews. That's a very crucial period for me, because I almost given 8 interviews, which I got selected for 2. That means, every interview is not your, not your zone. The interviewer might feel that you are not the right candidate, not because of your having skills. It's because of your uh, skill set is not matched for that company particularly. So don't bother about that. Just go forward without hesitation. Take every interview as an experience. See, like, it's an experience. So even if you got rejected, please ask that interviewer to, give some feedback to you. And later also, like, after attending any interview, just mail the particular respect to HR, or respect to the interviewer, that it's called thank mail. You have to thank the interview that that provided by that particular company, right? So then they will identify your what we call, identify your interest, showing interest in that particular company, right? So that is very important. And also, for interview preparation, for me, um, I have taken the Naukari premium. To be honest, I have taken the Naukari premium, and um, within 2 or 3 days, I got 12 calls, around 12 calls. Telephonic round happened, and but so not every telephonic round will take you to the first round of the interview. Don't bother about it. So in 12 calls, I got, I think, around 5 calls. I went for the first round, and I went for the second round for two companies, and later I chosen this company, Value Momentum, because it's a very fine company that I observed from their website. And also my friends has also told me that this is a fine company, you can join without any hesitation. So, and also the designation, my designation, I always expect me, I want to see myself as a data scientist. So that's happened now. It's technically, I'm a data scientist, you can call me a, AA engineer or AA developer, but designation is software engineer, data leverage LOP, because I perform um, data operations on it, any type of operations. That means, like, any client came to us, so we are not restricting ourselves to, we are not do's and don'ts. There are do's and don'ts in data scientists, but there are nothing like that. There is nothing like in our data leverage LOB. And apart from that, my company offered me a good package as well. That is one of the reason I joined this company. So please, you have to dress up formal while giving interviews as well. You have to clean your, the beard or the hairstyle. You have to take care of that, because I think 3 or 4 interviews I got rejected because of that reason. So I just observe that thing, and I overcome to give neat look to me, so that the very next interview, I got selected. So that's the one of the reason I suggested for the people. And yeah, how I switch my career. For me, after right after my graduation, I just went for the 360 course. Have done within 6 months, along with one internship project. So later, I was appointed as an associate data scientist, and from that period to this period, now I'm having 3 years of experience, and I'm doing wonders with the data, and also, uh, you know, um, got placed in a very fine company. And 360, it's very good platform. How I approach a 360, I wanted to tell you that because people will suggest you, some people will suggest you to join 360, but the reason is like, uh, you know the courses they offered, under the guidance of some industrial experts. They're not normal people, they are industrial experts. They know how market is going, and how demand the emerging technologies are now. And that's the reason we have many courses under 360, like the data engineer role, data scientist roles, or Tableau developer roles, big data, Hadoop, whatnot. So every course is offered there. And for freshers who wanted to build their career in under data science, for me, for them it's very difficult. Why? Because right after your college, you have to learn something, right? So that course is, why not data science first of all? Okay, let's take, you have taken the data science course. So now how to start? It's very important. How to start means the 360 will only will guide you how to learn, how you can learn. That's it. They will not guide you like, you have to learn, you have to you have to do, you have to learn. They will not push you. You have to push yourself first, and they will only guide you how you can learn, where you can learn. That's it. Very simple. So that's your after that, all your effort. And for me, the hardest phase, is interview phase only, because the first 3 or 4 interviews, that was um, very difficult for me, because the questions they are asking me is completely related to the artificial intelligence or the deep learning. Even if you came from the machine learning, or the data related, you know uh, related job, but you should be very careful with the deep learning or the current technologies, what companies are now, they are working on. That's very important. So yeah, that's also one of the case you have to um, look on. And what next? Um, for experienced people, I can say experienced people who came from from non-IT background, or any IT background. Um, for them, like for example, if you are a IT person, information technology, some technologies, and Python or Java or anything, any tool. Maybe that will help you. For example, if you know Python or R programming, that help you. But for non-IT people, also can take this course, and you can also choose this path as well. Why? Because it's completely fresh, and you can start with your basics of Python. That gives you some confidence, that boosts your confidence. Why? Because even I came from the CSC, computer science background. We don't have any syllabus related to Python. I learned my own way, that after some learn from some basics of Python in 360. Later I explored some of the websites called, Geeks for Geeks, W3 Schools, or Analytics Vidya, some websites, Data Camp. There are more websites that you can explore, and you can uh, practice more. That's the way you can achieve some you know uh, technically, for non-IT people, I'm saying. And the very next thing is the final thing I want to say. And don't hesitate to join, don't hesitate to join in 360 or any platform, because if you are looking for a better growth or better change, you should be take risk, or you should be um, you know take one step forward. That's my motto to everyone. And yeah, please, you can reach out to 360, for anything you wanted to personally ask me for guidance. Definitely I'll help you. My mail id is with 360 digit mg. You can approach me for any queries or related to any interviews. Definitely I'll help you out. And thank you so much. It's pleasure. I'm just giving the success story. Thank you so much, 360, and have a great day, everyone. Thank you.